Now, constant pointer is something that the pointer is having an address which you cannot change. The value at address may change. Constant pointer address does not change. Value at address can change. Pointer to a constant, that means address in the pointer may change, but the value at the address is constant. This value is constant, it cannot change. So this is what we have done in the previous class. So today we are combining these two, that is a constant pointer to a constant data. Neither will I be able to change the address, nor will I be able to change the value at the address. Let us take a clear example to understand this. I am including the header file input output stream. Then I'm beginning with my void main, wherein I'm having two integer variables having value 10 and 20 that I have taken earlier also. Now I am creating constant. Now when I'm using this constant before the entire, in that case we are talking about constant pointers. If I'm using constant just before the pointer name, then I'm talking about the pointer to a constant. Here I'm using both constant here, then I'm having integer, then I'm having pointer, and I'm also having a constant over here. So this is a constant pointer to constant data, and then I'm having the name, say PTR over here. So this becomes a constant pointer to constant data. Supposedly I'm saying that now PTR is address of A, and supposedly I want to print the value of A from here. So I would be getting some answers. Now supposedly I'm saying that pointer is equal to address of B, or I say that A is now is equal to 20, and now I'm trying to print the same value, supposedly the value at the pointer or the value of whatever I'm saying. So what is happening in this particular case is, if I am trying to run this particular program, then this will give me errors. It will give me two errors at two stages. Two errors. First error will come in this line. It will say trying to assign a value to read only address. We are trying to change the address location, which is only a read only address, trying to assign a value to read only address. Here it would be trying to assign a value to read only memory location. So both cases, both these lines will be showing an error. So if I'm trying to run my program only till here, in that case, I'm having two integers. I'm making a constant pointer to constant data, and I'm saying that I have created A in the memory supposedly at some location 1000. It is having a value 10. I have created B, supposedly it is at some location 1020 and it is having the value 20. Now I am saying that pointer PTR at some location say 1060 in the memory. This I am saying is created and it is storing the address of A. Address of A is 1000. So address of A is stored in the pointer. I am saying that this is a constant. That means the value within this pointer cannot change once assigned. So this is constant. Also, it is pointing to constant data. That means the value at this location which the pointer is holding is also constant, and this cannot also change throughout one run of this program. So these both values have been made constant by using a constant pointer to a constant data. This is the concept. So if you remove this part, the program should run absolutely fine. Those two lines will give you an error.